YouTube, it's been a while. So today we're going to put some track clips on. So this video has been long in the taking. I've been working on these clippers here for about a month. Yes, about a month. And I finally broke down. I bought a Harbor Freight set of bolt cutters, but I took them back because I didn't want to cut into something and make a mistake, And I did a lot of research, and I give credit to the people who designed these originally. And I tried. Put it back around here for you. So these are pretty unique. The ones I seen other people from the internet, they had slots cut here. I tried that, okay, but it was no banana. So I figured I'd come up with. I took these. These are metal from a lawnmower blade. They broke the other day. The other day they were working great too. So that's my first test. So they broke. I have a flux core welder that I borrowed from my stepson. And so I was using cut them up from a lawnmower blade and attached to these. These were just not doing the thing, but the chore by itself. So the person I see on the internet on his channel, he took I think they're made them out of 22s, I believe. I'm not sure, but it just weren't working for me. So I went and drew these up and took some measurements and stuff like the people on the internet said to do, and I welded these, cut them out of an old lawnmower blade. I actually had to have my neighbor double them up for me. I gave him some more steel and he welded them up for me. Flux core just don't penetrate as much like a regular MIG would. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what I've been doing. This is the clip I just put in. So I'll give you a little demonstration of what I did do. So you want enough spacing when you put these clips in. You want these spacing, so let's see, right there. See that? Yeah, that. I think I got them. Find the right adjustment. Oh, this will help, guys and gals. I might have to. I think I got too much of it. Yeah, that probably sounds like it right there. So yeah, I'm gonna warn you now that these adjustments on these, you're gonna have to readjust them. Readjust them right here, and I haven't. You got to basically get it where you need it to be. Don't break any bolts because these bolts do. These are made in China, and like anything else anymore is made in China. All right, so just the way of the lay of the land, I guess that's the way it is. Right, so I just adjusted these bolts again, and I just got done grounding these down too because I had a big piece of metal right here, and I just ground it down for the backing. So I just cut it back. Use my other one as a template. My neighbor put back on for me, and yeah, pretty gnarly, I swear. That's what they look like when you attach them. So, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and promote these. Good idea here, a very good idea. I know somebody else on the internet, on the YouTube, was complaining about the price, and yeah, the people who design these and make these, you gotta make a profit too. So I get it. So I want to give a shout out to the people who design these. I wanted to say these are not copyright infringements because I'm not selling them. I'm just using them at home. I'm not selling them at all. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys when I'm done. Okay, so basically, in a nutshell, you want your crimps to look like this. So you get focus on here. This one and this one here as well. And you can use for reference your old ones like these here. You see, they crimped on both sides right from Camoplast. Camzo. So I might go back in here again and then recrimp this again. It's got a little bit of bend to it, but we'll see. So we'll deal with it in a minute here. Oh, okay, so I went and crimped this again, and that I gotta find yet. I can't even locate on the. Okay, there it is. Okay, so you want your clips to kind of look like this. I got it. If you have to, tighten up your tool. a little more closer, but that's pretty spot on. I think it's gonna pop back off or anything. It's a lot of pressure in there. So I got 2 more to go, and you in the blue, and let me, oh, right here underneath my chair. So that's where we're sitting at right now. So I'll come back in a few when I got these other 2 done. Alright, so this is where we're at right now. This was my last clip. I figure I just document it. So let me move aside here real quick, and I'll show you what she looks like on the other side of the jaws. There's one jaw, and here's the other one. See how they're holding on that clip. That's what you want. You want to push down on that clip. That's the position I'm sitting at. Yeah, so I mean, that's how it's sitting right now. So move on. So this is where we're gonna sit at today. Clamped up here. I can get so I can ride out a thunderstorm is hitting my way, booming above me. So for today, I got the track pulled underneath it, and the clips are good. And I prepped up also for Mr. Drive Axle here. Yeah, basically a little feller. We're gonna put him in. He's gonna feel right at home. In the meantime, oh, I gotta hurry and get in here. Anyway, the track is under here, and all staged up and stuff, and put on the old strap on here. Yeah, that one there for the sled, not from, if mine's you. Anyway, I guess for now, we'll catch y'all later. You have a good night. Thank you for watching. Bye.